Hello everybody. Now we're going to discuss about augmented reality or AR. So what is augmented reality? An augmented reality is basically a combination of a real scene viewed by user and a virtual scene generated by a computer that augments the scene with additional information. A virtual reality means whenever a system combines a real scene of real world and a virtual scene generated by computer artificially, this kind of environment or reality is known as augmented reality. An augmented reality system can add virtual computer generated objects, audio and other sense enhancement to a real world environment in real time. So in augmented reality, a real-time augmentation is also important. So let me show you an example of augmented reality application. So let me play the video for you. Okay, guys, we have seen a nice video of augmented reality applications. So I hope all of you could understand yeah, the augmented reality. What is basically the augmented reality? Here in this video, we can see that a real scene of a stadium in Korea is augmented with an artificially generated movie objects like this animal and some other stuffs as shown in the video. So I think you are able to understand the scene behind the augmented reality from this video. So let me go back to our main slide. So now we're going to compare the augmented reality and virtual reality. So what are the basic differences between augmented reality and virtual reality? Actually, the augmented reality systems augment the real world scene with computer generated objects, and in the augmented reality system, the user maintains a scene of presence in real world. It also need to be maintain a mechanism to combine virtual and real world. On the other hand, the virtual reality systems actually creates totally immersive environment, and visual senses are under control of the system. So in virtual reality system, nothing is real, but in virtual reality system, you can feel everything like real, but everything feels like real, but it is actually not real. Nothing is from real life environment. But in augmented reality, some scenes are directly captured from the real life environment. These are the basic differences between augmented reality and virtual reality. So let me show you or explain you how does an air work. So in air system, first of all, the air system pick a real world scene through a camera capturing, and then it adds the virtual objects generated by the computer artificially in it, and then it deletes some real world objects if necessary. So most important thing in here is in air system you will not find any virtual thing inside it, because in this real in this air environment some scenes are came from the real world. Okay, and some objects are created artificially in computer, but when the both scenes are blended, then people can feel like it is actually real environment. But basically some artificially generated objects are augmented with the real scene of real life environment. So in augmented reality system, there are two types of display technologies are used. So one is head mounted display. So head mounted display device is actually a pair of a headset such as harness or helmet. And this figure shows like this type of head mounted display. And the other type is eyeglasses. So eyeglasses, whenever the people wear an eye, it employs the cameras and intercept the real world view and redisplay its augmented view through eyepieces. And we can see an example of eyeglasses used in the air system shown in this figure. And now let me describe the architecture of an air system. This figure shows an architecture of an air system based on video see-through head-mounted display, or HMD. So what is happening here? So actually, how does a system, air system works according to the architecture? So let me explain a bit about that. So see here, the real world object or scenes are captured by video camera, and then these video signals are going to the video compositor. Okay, and at the same time the head tracker also track the head positions or locations of the user head, and then the location also go to the scene generator. The scene generator is basically generate graphical images or graphical videos of artificial objects or scenes, where the head location are also considered in the generating process. So after generating the graphical images or videos, this graphic video and the real world videos are also combined at the video compositor. And after combining these two kind of scenes, like a real life scenes and artificially generated scenes, the combined videos are then passed to the monitor of the head mounted display, or HMD. And from this HMD, the user can see this augmented reality environment, and our brain can process to understand this kind of reality. So this is the architecture of air system. And if we want to summarize the system architecture, so we can say in this way: the first of all, the capturing of real world scene, and then the head tracking information, and then generation of graphical or artificial objects, and then combining the real world scene and computer generated objects or scenes together, and then displaying the combined video through a head mounted display that we actually have seen here in this figure. So now I would like to mention some important applications of augmented reality in our daily life. So augmented reality application softwares are used in medical, entertainment, military training engineering, design, robotics, telerobotics, and manufacturing, maintenance, and repair in the industries. Okay, and then customer design hazard detection and detection audio is also another application of air, and we can also find so many applications of air nowadays. So air is actually very emerging today, and of course in the future. So in this figure we can see some examples of air applications in medical, and this figure shows some examples of AR application in entertainment, and these two figures show defense application of AR, and this figure shows AR applications in education. Thank you.